Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Payoneer for freelancing websites like Fiverr and Upwork. So you can see from here I receive payments from Fiverr from time to time. So the best way is to go to your Fiverr account. This my particular Fiverr account has been disabled, but once you're on the Fiverr account, you can just find a way to or go to the section where you have to add your details, your account details. So once you add, but first you would have logged in into the same logged into your Payoneer account on the same um, browser or the same window. Then you for Fiverr in particular, you click on the account adding option. Then you will see a portion where the Pioneer option will pop up. Click on Pioneer option and it will automatically load in your details. Since so long you've saved it on that particular browser, you would have the details added almost immediately, and then you click on add, and that is it, guys. So for that, that is how to actually add your Pioneer details on freelancing websites.